Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Liverpool and I'm at the docks. Last time I was here, I was over there getting on a ship to go to Isle of Man with ADC, take the AMG GTS on a tour. This time I'm here to go in the Liver building to meet up with GMG Watches as I've purchased myself a new watch. And I'm very excited and I'm going to head in now and go and have a look at it. Right, I'm inside now, here with Kieran at GMG Watches in the Liver building in the heart of Liverpool. Yeah, and he's just handed me my watch, which is this absolutely fabulous blue Sky-Dweller on a Jubilee bracelet. And it's dated 6th of April 2025. So they've done an absolutely fabulous deal for me and got me a brand new watch, which is something my AD couldn't get me. So Kieran, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. It's also come on this is the first time we've seen the new Rolex boxes as well.
Oh yes, yes.
So obviously they're just a little bit upgraded from the previous ones, a little bit of a different pattern here. Got sort of like gold clasps here. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. The lip's a little bit different, you've got a little bit more gap. And the outer boxes are actually green, as opposed to sort of the cream colour, so it's nice to be able to give you the first one we've been able to do.
I'm over the moon because I didn't realise I was getting the new box, so I'm absolutely chuffed. So fabulous, fabulous. Looking forward to wearing it and that. So you probably all know GMG, but go look them up on their channel. If not, they put videos out weekly, unlike me, and they cover. There's lots of Rolexes on there. I think there's Patek Philippe's and APs and everything, isn't there?
Yeah, everything. All ranges from sort of Tudor upwards, really, Tudor and Omega upwards. Right. Rolex, AP, RM, different brands as well, sort of like Gerald Charles.
Oh, right, yeah.
All kinds of different stuff.
Great. Well, thank you very much for
today,
very and thank you for sorting this fabulous Sky-Dweller out for me. I am absolutely made up for my blue Sky-Dweller with the Jubilee bracelet. So it's white gold on steel with the blue dial. I'm so pleased. Couldn't find one anywhere that was a 2025. Spoke with GMG and they pulled one out of the hat. This one is a whole 17 days old. So you can't get much fresher than that, can you? Absolutely fabulous, absolutely over the moon. In addition, GMG very kindly gave me this watch roll, which holds 3. Fabulous. So I can put 3 watches in there and travel now like that. And additionally, they gave me one of the miniature ones as well that allow you to keep one watch nice and safe and secure. That's going to be really handy with lots of my travels. You'll probably see that pop up in other videos. Right, that's it. I've got the watch on. I'm leaving GMG. Thank you, Kieran. Thank you, everybody. And we'll head off home and go and enjoy the watch. Thanks a lot. Cheers.
You're welcome.
So thank you very much for getting this far. Don't forget to like and share to like-minded friends. And if you're feeling particularly generous, hit that subscribe button. And a big thank you to GMG again. Until the next video, JP out.